Good morning. It's currently 7:42, 43, it's somewhere there, 7:40 something. I'm just fed the dogs. We've gone for a walk, fed them. Today we didn't go for a walk, we went for an adventure, so early in the morning. And then they've just eaten, then now I want to have my breakfast and then decorate 2 cakes before 10 a.m. Will I make it? I think so. Will I probably panic at some point? I definitely think so. Why? It's been, I think, 2 weeks. Yeah, kinda 2 or 3 weeks since I did like a paid order, and you know, if you don't do something consistently, you get rusty. So and that's why I was saying I regret taking the order, but at the same time, one of the cakes is for my niece. I feel so rusty, so, and I also think I'm wasting time, but my breakfast is getting ready. I'm boiling water for my coffee, so that's basically it. Then I can start on the cakes. I am hoping, fingers crossed, to start by 8:30. I don't think I inhale food, so I'm pretty sure by 8 I'll be done eating. But in case whatever I'm watching is interesting, 8:30. I even have an alarm on for 8:30. And then since both cakes kind of have the same theme, the toppers are ready. Oh wait, I need to make white ganache, but I'll be fine. Toppers are ready. Cream is ready. Both cakes, one is pink and purple. So I'm not so worried, but I feel like I shouldn't be overconfident, and I should also stop wasting time and definitely go start. So let me have breakfast and then we'll see if I'll make it. But I probably will have a time lapse on as I go, and then I will check in when I'm done. Then my plan for the rest of the day after I'm done, I'll either wash the dogs because they stink. Today's adventure, they went and rolled around in something. I refused to go where they went because it was kind of sketch. I don't like going places where I can't technically see very well. And now they stink. The plan was to wash them tomorrow, but now I might wash them. But I've given them like a black girl, what's it called? Passport shower. Like, you know, the ones our parents used to give us when we would wake up before, like in the morning. The one where you take a cloth and scrub them. That's the kind of shower I've given them. But like, yeah, so the smell has gone down, but they still stink in my head. But if I don't do that, I'm planning to edit. And then I've realized there's a video I need to film, that the video I want to post next week. There's another video I have ready, like not scripted, like thought out, but I didn't think I'll film it anytime soon. But now I've realized the one for next week where I'm talking, you know what, probably by the time you guys are watching these videos, all the videos that I have been working on this week will be up. But anyways, plan is, there's a video talking about if I was to reopen my bakery, everything I'd do different. And then I had, before this, if I was to reopen my bakery, I had another video for if I was to start a home baking business again, everything I'd do different. I've just realized those 2 videos should definitely like follow each other, because I was thinking I can edit it and post it like and maybe in deck, but now I've realized those 2 videos should definitely follow each other, especially since I have another video talking about my 10-year baking journey that's already filmed. So I'm thinking I should definitely, since now I'm done with my shop series, I should have the everything I do different if I reopen my bakery, and then my 10-year baking journey, and then if I was to restart a home baking business, everything I do different in 2022, 23, I don't know what I'll title it, but I guess either you guys will have watched it or you will just be about to watch it like the same week this video goes up. But we'll see. Guys, slight problem. I don't feel like now I'm about to start panicking, but I'm trying my best not to. So my buttercream split. It's currently in the fridge. Almost, I was this close putting it in the freezer, but it's fine. It's in the fridge. I've put it in the coldest setting, so instead of waiting for an hour, I'm going to give it 20 minutes, and then whatever consistency it will be, that's what I'm using. But anyways, in the meantime, I've leveled the cakes and made the ganache. I feel like 20 minutes is up, so I'm going to get my cream and hope to God like it's workable, because I don't want to waste any more time. Sijui nimetoa wapi accent, but I don't want to waste any more time. I'm about to go into that mood for no one speak to me. I think now, because of that buttercream thing, I have an hour of decorating at least one cake. One is supposed to leave at 10:45-ish, the other one at noon. The noon one, I'm fine with it, but because it's leaving at noon at the same time, I need it to be in the fridge much longer because it's going further, I think. So, because the way the heat's been horrible, I don't want the cake to melt in the Uber. But yeah, see, this is what I was saying, it gets so rusty. I made my buttercream last night and it was soupy, and I thought it would like shikana. Sometimes it does that, like when you leave it alone overnight, it does go back to the like proper consistency. But here's a tip for you guys. I don't know, did I mention in any of my previous videos? My hand is tired. I said in one of, I think, or I didn't, I'm going to try make my vlogs more, instead of just having my life, because I technically do the list, instead of just showing, oh, today's Monday, I went here, today's Tuesday, I went here, today's Wednesday, I did nothing. I'm going to try, instead of just having like, watch me do this, look at me enjoying life, I'm going to also try include tips for baking, instead of waiting for the content to be enough to share it in one like 20-minute video. So, because some weeks I genuinely do nothing, I just stay at home. So I'm going to be trying my level best to just be sharing the tips on the vlogs. And you see, if there was medals for time wasting, I think I'd be, if not number one, I'd be runners up. Because why am I saying I'm running late and I'm still filming myself talking to you guys, telling you something I could share in the evening, and look, I'm still wasting time. So bye, cue the time lapse, hopefully. If the stress becomes too much, my phone is definitely just going to be off, because I'm expecting a call today and that person didn't pick up when I called them yesterday. They're supposed to come clean our seats. Look at me digressing even further. And since he didn't pick my calls, I'm sure he's going to call me today, but if I'm panicking, I won't speak to him until noon. So, see ya. Cue the time lapse. Extra digressing. Cream is kinda okay. I hope it won't disturb me. Imekauka though. It's set. But I want set. It's now 8:55. Imagine a whole hour. I wish I checked on the buttercream before I had breakfast. So I've given myself a whole hour, 5 minutes, because it's 8:55, to be done at least doing the first and second coat for each cake. But then it will be 9:55. Then I'll have 45 minutes. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely, fingers crossed, be ready with both. Look at me still wasting time. But yeah, I'm hoping to be at least 1 hour. When this timer goes off, I've done 2 coats for each cake. And then the other hour to finalize on at least one. Okay, no, I know probably both, because my fridge is really cold since it's not been in use the whole night. Like, no one's been opening the door. But anyways, time lapse time. Finally, I've stopped talking. like 3 p.m. This is when I'm checking back in. Did I finish my cakes by 10:45? Yes, indeed, I was done. I'm pretty sure by now you've seen the time lapse. I'm saying by now, and yet for you guys it's one video where I had to undo one cake, so technically I'd have been done by like 10:20, but then I didn't like the colors on one cake, so I had to repeat it. But I guess you've already watched me do that. So I am now editing a video. The video I'm editing right now was meant to be up. Today is Friday. It was meant to be up on Monday. But you know what? I mentioned I'm not putting any pressure on myself, like timeline wise. There's only one video that I need up on a specific date, and that's a video that's supposed to go up on October 31st. That's the only video I have pressure on, because it needs to go up on October 31st. By the time you guys watch this, October 31st will be long gone. So if there's no video up on October 31st, on Monday, then definitely I failed with my timeline. But it's not too long. I'm sitting right outside like next to a window, so the light. It's not too long a video, but it's definitely going to be up on the day. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But it's important for me, myself, and only I, for it to go up on that day. But I'm not even editing that one. I'm planning on editing that tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. But yeah, I'm technically done with my day. Waiting for these guys to finish with the seats, and then peace. So back to editing, I guess. Good morning. I've been up since like 3 a.m. or later, like 3:34. I had such a weird dream. I can't even remember what it was about, but it was so creepy. But yeah, I have already walked the dogs. We've played. We've had breakfast. So I want to wash my hair and do a henna treatment, so that hopefully my hair can stop looking like it's dying. And then, well, the treatment is on my head. I'm planning to wash my doggies, because genuinely they stink. I feel like I'll stop taking them where I usually take them sometimes, because they're off leash, so they'll like play together and then like roll around, and I don't know what's usually in that spot. It smells so bad. Like, yeah, I was intending to wash them today, but at this moment, at now almost 9 a.m, there's no point in, like, there's no I'm so hard, English has gone. There's no chance that I can postpone to wash them tomorrow. They genuinely stink. They don't stink, they smell like, if you've ever gone where there's chickens, like a chicken coop or something, a place where they have chickens, and those guys don't wash the chickens or cows, like they don't clean up where the animals like stay. Like, there's that smell animals usually have. That's how my dogs are smelling. So, and then we have to wash our curtains. Like, genuinely today everything is getting cleaned, and I have to edit. I have a video I've just finished editing. It was supposed to go up this past Monday, but it's going to go up today, like Chalazma. I'm not giving myself another option. It will definitely go up today. It's done editing. I just need to insert music. And yeah, what else do I need to do today? I'll edit a video that has to go up on Monday, but at least that one I'm hoping to God. I just need to add photos. I hope I find those photos, but I am hoping to do the first edit today and then my second edit tomorrow, because I'm free the whole day tomorrow, and then finalize on Monday and post on Monday. Then I can go back to like easier editing instead of doing, like this week I've edited 4 videos and all of them will be up have been up between Tuesday and this coming Monday. So I want to go back to at least editing 1 or 2 videos a week instead of skipping, because it was that week when I was unwell that just ruined my schedule. But anyways, I don't think I'll check back in. We have a lot of cleaning to do. By we, I mean I'm just going to be helping out if necessary. So that's it for my week. I will check back in tomorrow if I end up feeling like picking up my camera or my phone at any point in the day. So I'll see you then. Bye.